Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, straight going on YouTube.
Close to me, man. I could be machine. You're a menace. That is an entire bike lane. I have the right to take the lane, sir. You are all on camera, as a matter of fact. When you're that close to me, look how I am because of how close you are from that, sir. You did not give me enough room.
I slowed down and I got over.
You needed to move an entire lane, sir. That is too small of a lane for you to pass me by law. So I will have your tag.
Well, then go ahead and call the police right now, damn it!
Let's do it. Man.
You know, you got a mouth on you.
Because you almost hit me,
Call
man!
the police,
Yeah! Now, make me shut
Call the police, please. Call them, or I will.
Call him! I'm calling him right now. No problem, man.
No, this is...
Not bullshit, sir. Not a problem here.
Get my tag.
I got it all on camera, sir.
Great, I'm glad you do.
J-E-W-E-1-3. J-E-W-E-1-3. Give me more distance, dude! What are you doing? Come over into this lane and pass me
in the middle of the road.
with a full lane.
middle of the road 'cause you're
You
in the
gave
middle
me
of the
this.
You need to learn how to ride the road, bro.
I got a card that explains the law. I am allowed to ride on the road.
I don't want nothing
You're
from you.
required to give me 3 feet when you pass me.
Because you're riding in the middle of the road on a bike,
I was
bro.
on the side of the
I was
fucking
in the middle
road.
lane driving.
I was on the road.
I'm working, bro.
I was
You're
on
out
the
here
right
doing some
tire.
weird
It
shit,
does
dude.
not matter if you're working. That does not give you the
Dude,
chance
leave me
to
alone,
break the
bro. Get
fucking
away from me.
law.
Back up. I'm not
Do
breaking
not
the law.
break the law.
Dude, I'm not breaking the law.
did.
You're the one riding in the middle of the road, bro.
On the right tire tread.
Get away
I was
from
in
me.
the right
Get out of my
fucking tire
face.
tread.
Do
I was
something.
in
Get out of
the
my
right
face.
fucking tire tread, dude. Take this.
I don't want that, bro. Where's your license plate at?
I don't have a plate. It's a bicycle. You
Then why are you on the road?
Because I have the legal right to be on the road.
Get away from me, man. Bro, you need to take your litter. You need to put it back where your stuff is, okay? And you need to leave me alone. You're harassing me, bro. and I don't like it. Okay, thank you. I'll be right there. Hey, I don't want you.
You can find the video online, dude. You like having that beer?
Against Washington football team, the Tennessee Titans 7-0 against Kansas. Kansas City Dolphins 7-0 against the Falcons. Patriots 7-0 against the Jets. Panthers 3-0 against the New York Giants, and scoreless between.
Problem? You really take a swing at me?
What?
Do you really take a swing at me?
Yeah, dude, I thought you were going to try to hit me.
What the on the road?
First off, I was walking on the side of the road and I thought you were trying to hit me. Back up.
Dude.
Hit
Get off. Swing at me.
I ain't trying to take a swing at you.
Take a swing at me again. Do it again. So do it again.
Yeah, I know. I thought you were trying to.
Do it again, dude.
Like I said.
Your cell phone, right?
Why you gotta always do that? I said.
Out then.
No,
You take a.
like I wasn't trying to take a swing on you.
You took a swing. I saw you.
First.
You're in the middle of the road.
I was on the side of the road.
You were on the road, dude.
On the side. I didn't try to hit you. I thought you were trying to hit me, so I'm like, whoa.
I saw you. It's on camera, dude.
know, and I thought
Go
you-
get your phone.
Here, have a drink.
No. Drink. Go.
All right, well,
Next time be ready. Next time be ready.
This guy tried to run me off the road, almost made me crash. So I had a few words to say. He said, get on my bike. So I did, and this is what happened.
So you just cut me off like that? Get up. Nah, you want to talk? Look at you heard? No, we both nothing. You see me make the left? No. Because you cut. You looked at me and then you cut me off.
No, we both went.
No, we both went. Your lane, I'm on my lane, and you. Yes, you. I have it. Oh, bro.
No.
I have it on. Bro. I mean, nobody told you to get out the car. You better hope. You better hope another biker doesn't hit you, bro.
Take exit 30, then keep left.
Record this. Call 911, hurry up. ¿Qué te pasa? ¿Qué te pasa, güey? No te pegué nada. Estoy con mi esposa yendo para la casa. ¿Por qué estás así? No te hice nada. No te pegué nada. ¿Pero por qué a mí, güey? Pero ahora voy a tener que hablar. No, come on, man. Me chingaste en mi carro, man.
It's on my phone.
Okay.
It's on the thing.
Okay.
I can't call. Your phone is me.
Okay. Yeah,
me off! Go. You cut me off! You do that to a motorcycle!
I didn't see you.
Okay, cool, you're good.
God.
Apology is good, but you cut me off. Just walk. You good. You good.
What's up?
What's up, bro?
Hey, yo, Joe.
What is it?
What?
What, you flipping me off? What, you
Oh,
think
no,
you're
I
cool?
wasn't-
What, man?
I wasn't flipping you off.
No.
I wasn't flipping. Hey!
These two are about to get in a fight. Oh my god!
What?
He just
Somebody pointed.
yeah. BB9. You got that?
Alabama.
Why? Why? Why, dude? Why? 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 What? I can't hear you, bro. Hey! What, dude? Come talk to me. Come talk to me, dude. What? 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 What is the problem? What is the problem? Oh, I would say something. What? Oh, he got. Look at him. He's got. Wow. Hey, look, it's all on camera. Look, it's all on camera, dude. You that scared of me? Really? You're gonna start? Just tell me why you flipped me the bird. Just tell me. Look at him. Ooh, you're tough. Hold on, I'm gonna get your plate number. I'm getting your plate number. I already got it, but I'll get it again just to make sure. All right. Got you, bro. Got you, homie.
Your signals work? Your signals work?
It don't matter. I got it all right here.
You probably got a big dent in the front of your car now. She'll have to pay for it.
Are you a police officer? Okay, I thought a man influence. Roll up the window. You don't need to hear this man's language.
Oh, his language. Oh, your language.
Don't listen, he says that word.
She's the one throwing this phone. Did she not even have shoes on? It's a stolen car or something. This ain't my phone, apparently. Wow, that means slow down and come to a stop.
Hey, is this Washington County? Hey, was you the one that the lady just talked to that's had the wreck down here in the construction zone?
No, it wasn't me, but we've got an officer on the way down there.
She is sitting here in the middle of the road and got all traffic blocked going south into Greene County. Could you tell her to move over to the shoulder? I'm the one that hit her.
You're not the one?
I am the one that hit her. I'm behind her. But she just won't move. She's sitting here in the middle of the road. I've got a dash camera and videoed her. She slammed on the brakes in front of me with nobody in front of her. And I went to go around her, and she locked it up here in this one lane here. Jumped out like some kind of raving idiot and started screaming, "You're drunk, you're drunk." Is he far away? Because there's no traffic moving south into Greene County here.
I would say they're pretty close, but I'll make sure. Okay?
She just won't move.
Okay.
I told her to pull to the shoulder and she won't, but okay.
Alright, I've got that tag and I'll give that to them too, okay?
Okay, thanks.